Okay. KCCK. This is, I've ridden this just once a couple weeks ago. It is a fantastic trail. Look at Anthony go. Fuck. You fucker, how are you so fast? Fuck. You and Eric. Fuck. Oh, Jesus Christ. Holy fuck. Oh. Christ. Oh, this trail is so fun. Oh. These guys, friggin' unbelievable how fast they are. Killing myself. Oh, the legs hurt so much. Oh. They're just getting further and further away. Yeah. Whoa. I'm getting sloppy. I'm getting tired. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Fucking cunt. Oh, on the rear brake, you idiot. God, everything hurts. Here. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm going to have to take a break in a sec. I'm not going to be able to keep up. Oh, thank God. Thank God. I'm stopping. Fuck you guys. Go fuck yourselves. Oh yeah, you can go. Fuck.